Hi, today we're going to take a look at the newest of our tools in the toolkit with Rosalind, and that's the Debt Planner. So the first step to clearing your business of debt or controlling the debt within your business is to clearly understand how much you owe and who you owe that to. So first of all, using this tool, you would go to this tab and enter your debt information. Take each creditor, the balance, and if there's an interest rate, you can pop that in there. We've separated out the tax, so you can see that as a separate entity. Remembering that there may be penalties if there's tax debt, which may mean you might want to prioritise that over some other debts that haven't got those kind of penalties. So once you've entered that in there, you can then order. So click here and decide, how do you want to visualize these debts? Do you want to see them by the order you entered them in? Is this your own personal priority order that you've put these into? Do you want to look at it the highest first? So you're starting from the largest amounts to the smallest, getting rid of the low-hanging fruit perhaps and trying to tackle the lowest debts first. Or even looking at it, if there's quite a few with an interest rate on it, maybe you want to tackle those with the highest interest rate and get them off of your books first. What we'll look at first though is the highest owing as an example. Next step is to look at how you're going to tackle that. So let's click here to look at paying the debts by a set amount. Now how you'll work this is by entering how much you think, knowing the debt and knowing who you owe it to, you can assign to that debt each month. This will then calculate how many months it will take to pay that off and when you'll be clear. This means that given the largest debt here of £3,000 with the smallest payoff of only £50, won't actually be clear until March 2026, and you see here that's when you would be debt free with these debts. This total plan is going to cost you £1,500, for example. You may understand that actually you can afford to pay more than that per month. You've budgeted, let's say, for £2,000, so you may want to add more to here and add more to here, and you can chip away adding extras here and there wherever you think it's appropriate, until you reach the amount that you think you can afford each month. This has now meant that you could actually be debt-free by April 2024, that's 2 years earlier than previously. You can look at it within a set time frame and start playing with the figures that way. You can tell us that you want to be free of debt in 2 years, and if you want to do that, that's how you can tackle them, with these monthly payments. The cost to do that is £1,132.15 per month. Or, if you want to lower the amount you're paying, or let's say you've got 4 years left in a tenancy and you'd like to be debt-free by the time that either ends or renews, select another date. Some of this may mean making arrangements with those who you owe money to, particularly with HMRC. We would always recommend talking to the people that you owe money to. Make arrangements, make deals where possible for time to pay, and then try and get that in writing so that both parties understand exactly when that debt's going to be paid and how much. We hope this tool helps. If you have any questions, please do email us on support@roslands.co.uk. Thanks for listening.